Hi guys, this chapter is called Wonder Woman, Warrior of Love.
Hailing from the idyllic paradise island of the legendary Amazons, a crusader for peace and understanding journeys to the world of men, where warfare reigns. On the hidden paradise island, Themyscira, the immortal warrior women known as the Amazons, lived in peace. Princess Diana was the first and only child born on the island. The Amazons trained her to fight like a warrior, but they also taught her to strive for love and peace above everything else. After Army pilot Steve Trevor crashed on the island, Diana won the tournament to decide who would take Trevor home and become the official ambassador of the Amazons. She wanted to promote peace, but she was also prepared for battle with her suit of armor and golden lasso of truth. Her equipment came in handy when Ares, the god of war, attacked. After Diana vanquished Ares with her lasso and saved the day, the press named her Wonder Woman. Why Wonder Woman? Why would Wonder Woman train to be a great warrior her entire life if she hoped for peace and not war? She had to protect herself. She was not looking for a fight with Ares, but when he attacked, she was prepared. She was learning self-defense. You might learn self-defense with a martial art like karate or kung fu. You will spend years learning how to protect yourself, but the hardest lesson you will learn is restraint.
When you are a warrior like Wonder Woman, you show restraint by not fighting unless you are forced to. Wonder Woman was skilled enough to defeat an entire army with her bare hands, but she would not do that even though she could. She would look for another option first. Restraint means stopping and thinking before doing something instead of just doing it. The most powerful weapon. Wonder Woman knew that love was greater than any sword or gun. Harmful weapons were used in every war, but Wonder Woman believed only love can truly save the world. Wonder Woman loved everyone and wanted to protect them. Even when she saw people doing horrible things to each other, she showed restraint in two ways.
1, she did not give up on the people. And 2, she did not try to fight them. She kept loving them. If someone is mean to you, you can respond with restraint and love like Wonder Woman, or anger and hate like Ares. Wonder Woman, wow, lots of distractions here too. Restraint though, right? Where were we? Let's go back. Wonder Woman.
That hurt my feelings, but I am still your friend. That wasn't nice. Why did you say that? I'm sorry if I did something to upset you. I hope we can get along.
Ares. You're mean. I hate you. Why are you such a jerk? I'll make you wish you never said that again. Oops, again, I added that, huh? I'll never speak to you again. If you are like Wonder Woman, you can bring an end to the fight. If you are like Ares, the fight will likely continue.
Show the world how wonderful you are. Because Wonder Woman was new to the world and because she was a woman, many men thought they could tell her what to do. They did not know about her amazing powers. Sometimes people might think each of you, future Wonder Women, cannot do something because you are girls. It might make you mad and not want to respond with love. You should be prepared for times when people treat you this way. You can show restraint by not fighting them, but still using all your strength to prove them wrong. Show them how powerful you are.